Information management. Summarizing information using presentation software. This is the title slide of a presentation. Various techniques are used to summarize information, findings, and recommendations. For example, here it's clearly seen by the picture or image that this is about rhinos. Then a short phrase says what we're trying to do, stop rhino poaching. And a slightly longer sentence says how we intend to do it or what we're thinking would be a good solution. In this case, we want to change the way people think about rhino horn. Here the information is summarized by highlighting in red. This clearly shows there were once many rhinos, there are now very few left. There's an image of a black rhino. Hunting and poaching are compared. A hunter will shoot one rhino and just keep the horn as a trophy, whereas the poachers are obviously killing in large numbers and selling the horn on the black market. They're doing this because horn is worth a lot of money. The goal is stated very simply in a summary: to reduce people's desire to buy rhino horn so that there isn't a market value. In that way, the person who prepared the presentation hopes to stop rhino poaching. Again, it's summarized. There's a picture of a hunter and a picture of a rhino killed by poachers for its horn. Graphs are also a good way to summarize information in a presentation. They quickly show what the statistics look like. For example, over the years, rhino poaching has been increasing steadily and is now reaching quite alarming proportions. This is only the first few months of this year. Here a slightly more complex picture summarizes how much rhino horn is worth, compared to, for instance, platinum and gold, with the values given in British pounds. The one image summarizes quite a lot. White rhino horn, for example, is just about twice as expensive as platinum. Here bullets are used to summarize information. The uses of rhino horn are explained. In this slide, the strategy that the person who prepared the presentation wants to follow is outlined. They want to do something which focuses on the harmful side effects of aphrodisiacs, which is one of the reasons that rhino horn is purchased as an aphrodisiac. So they have possibly done a lot of research to see what the side effects are, and these are some of them, summarized in a bulleted list. Here is a summary of the type of media that they're thinking of using to get the message across. It's very clear to see the summaries and to see that this person has come to the conclusion that articles are a good idea. Because most rhino horn is bought in China and Taiwan, a short sentence summarizes this. There's no long explanation of who buys it, where, when, and why. This obviously isn't a summary, but this could be the article the person then writes to persuade people not to buy rhino horn.